Hi guys, welcome to the CHEFFY CHEF channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to prepare a decision dish called pasta and tomato sauce. And it's very easy to prepare. Now let's start up with the ingredient: 1 pound of pasta, spaghetti or penne, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, 28 ounces, 2-3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 small onion, chopped, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, salt and pepper, 2 taste, 1 teaspoon of dried basil leaves, Parmesan cheese, optional. Now you know all the ingredients. Let's begin with preparations. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook according to package instructions until al dente. While the pasta is cooking, heat the olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and sauté until soft and translucent, about 5-7 minutes. Add the minced garlic and sauté for another minute, until fragrant. Add the can of crushed tomatoes to the saucepan and stir to combine. Bring the sauce to a simmer. Add the dried basil, salt, and pepper to taste. Let the sauce simmer for about 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally, until it thickens slightly. Drain the cooked pasta and cue it to the saucepan. Toss the pasta with the sauce until it is coated evenly. Serve the pasta hot, garnished with grated Parmesan cheese, if desired. We've come to the end of today's video, and I hope you learned something from our kitchen. See you next time, but before then take your time to subscribe and turn on the notification bell and leave a like to help the channel grow. Bye.